Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. In this lesson, we're going to have a look how to say to manage using a verb and to manage to do something using 4 specific expressions. First, the verb, which you can use in a business context or an everyday one, and that verb is gérer. For instance, in a business context, you would say Céline gère la chaîne de production de A à Z. Céline gère la chaîne de production de A à Z. Céline manages the whole supply chain. And in an everyday context, you could say Ça va, je n'ai pas besoin d'aide, je gère. Ça va, je n'ai pas besoin d'aide, je gère. It's okay, I don't need help, it's all under control. So this one is about to manage, which is the simplest version of the verb. Before we carry on, I'll briefly mention you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the links in the description. And you could also check out my Parler Français course, which will help you reach a conversational level of French very quickly. You use 4 different expressions to talk about to manage to do something. And the first of them is y arriver. And this is used more commonly in the negative, although it's not a hard and fast rule, but it's just something we tend to do when we speak. For instance, je n'arrive pas à ouvrir la porte du garage. Elle est coincée. Je n'arrive pas à ouvrir la porte du garage. Elle est coincée. Now, obviously, everyday language, you would say j'arrive pas. Okay, you would skip the ne. I can't open the garage door, it's stuck. So what you're saying is I'm not managing to open the garage door. And when you use je n'arrive pas as opposed to je peux pas, it suggests you've tried and tried and tried and you failed. Whereas if you say je peux pas, it means you may have tried once and given up. That's the difference between the two. Luc ne viendra pas ce matin. Il n'arrive pas à sortir sa voiture à cause de la neige. Luc ne viendra pas ce matin. Il n'arrive pas à sortir sa voiture à cause de la neige. Luc is not coming this morning. He can't get the car out because of the snow. And again, you would translate it as he can't. But really, he can't manage to get the car out. Our second expression is réussir à. It's almost identical to the previous one, y arriver, except we use it more commonly in the affirmative, whereas arriver was used more in the negative. But again, it's not a hard and fast rule, as I said before. You will hear people use it the same way in both negative and affirmative. That's just something we tend to do. Léo a réussi à réparer sa voiture lui-même. Léo a réussi à réparer sa voiture lui-même. Léo managed to fix his car himself. Les Legrand ont finalement réussi à vendre leur maison. Les Legrand ont finalement réussi à vendre leur maison. The Legrands finally managed to sell their house. Our third expression is also very common, and it's comment faire pour, how to do so that. For instance, mais comment tu as fait pour obtenir ton passeport aussi vite? Mais comment tu as fait pour obtenir ton passeport aussi vite? How on earth did you manage to get your passport done this quickly? So the mais, when you start your sentence with mais, it's on earth, how on earth, mais comment. It just emphasizes the word that follows. And you see how in French we say to obtain your passport, which in English you tend to say to get your passport done. Je vais te montrer comment il faut faire pour avoir une réduction. Je vais te montrer comment il faut faire pour avoir une réduction. I'm going to show you how to manage to get a discount. And here I've inserted il faut, how it's necessary to proceed, if you like, but it means to manage. Our final expression is the strongest one, and it's se débrouiller pour. Se débrouiller literally is to get out of some kind of difficult situation. Mais comment tu t'es débrouillé pour arriver à l'heure? Il y a une grève générale des transports publics. Mais comment tu t'es débrouillé pour arriver à l'heure? Il y a une grève générale des transports publics. How on earth did you manage to get here on time? There is a general public transport strike. You see how we emphasize twice, once with the mais, and by using tu t'es débrouillé pour, which is even stronger. How did you manage this sorcery, basically? Also, you could say, pendant la récession, ma sœur s'est débrouillée pour trouver encore plus de clients. Pendant la récession, ma sœur s'est débrouillée pour trouver encore plus de clients. During the recession, my sister somehow managed to find even more customers. Here you could have used a réussi à. It would be slightly less strong than s'est débrouillé pour. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a like if that's the case, and subscribe if you're not already a member so you don't miss any of my videos when they come out. À bientôt!